There's something exciting about transforming any blank wall into a huge personal theater screen, and the Epson EpiqVision Mini EF21 is designed to make that happen effortlessly. It's small enough to carry anywhere but powerful enough to deliver an impressive cinematic feel every time you turn it on. Whether it's a weekend movie marathon, a backyard celebration, or a friend's gaming session, this compact projector aims to deliver entertainment without boundaries. The design gives off a clean and modern vibe, sleek white finish, compact body, and minimal visual distractions. It fits well in a living room, on a bedside table, or even outdoors on a portable stand. This isn't just about watching movies. It's a stylish piece of tech that blends perfectly into any space. What really matters is the image, and full HD 1080p with HDR support ensures clarity and color richness that makes content come alive. Every frame feels detailed and balanced thanks to Epson's 3-chip 3LCD technology, which avoids the annoying rainbow effects that some projectors struggle with. You'll notice more accuracy in color reproduction, especially in animations and nature scenes where vibrant tones matter. The brightness hits 1000 lumens, just the right match for dark indoor rooms or nighttime outdoor viewing. When the lights dim, the experience instantly shifts from casual to cinematic. Pair that with a screen size that can scale large even from short distances, and it genuinely feels like a theater setup without requiring bulky hardware. One of the best features here, Google TV is built directly into the projector. That means access to Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, and countless other apps right out of the box. No dongles, no extra streaming gear. You also have Chromecast built in for quick smartphone casting. Great when friends want to show off videos, TikToks, or vacation photos. Audio is often a weak point for compact projectors, but the integrated stereo speakers here deliver surprisingly punchy sound. The vocals stay clear and the bass doesn't disappear, making casual watching fully enjoyable without external speakers. But if you want more volume or depth, connecting external audio is simple as well. Setup is refreshingly easy. Just power it up, aim it at any surface, and autofocus takes care of the image sharpness. Keystone correction sorts out angles so the display looks straight even if the placement isn't perfect. You're watching within seconds. No complicated adjustments or calibration required. Another long-term benefit, the laser light source. This means no bulb replacements and longer-lasting brightness, making it a more future-proof entertainment investment. It's perfect for someone who uses their projector regularly for streaming, gaming, or hosting gatherings. Whether you're a student living in an apartment, a traveler wanting entertainment on the go, or someone who just wants a flexible big-screen experience without drilling a giant TV into a wall, this projector fits those needs effortlessly. Movie lovers, casual gamers, families who love weekend fun. It checks the right boxes for all. So if you're ready to upgrade your entertainment space and bring a portable cinema vibe into your everyday life, the Epson EpiqVision Mini EF21 is definitely worth considering. Check out the purchase link in the description to explore pricing and more details. Turn down the lights, grab a snack, and enjoy the show from anywhere.